So I got my banana trees right here. Let's sit here and let's have a discussion about this for a second, because as you can see, they look like when the wintertime came, they look like they was dying. And a while back, probably last year sometime, I had gotten about, it had to been at least 10 or 15 banana trees, and I planted them. See, I'm in the backyard right now, but when I had those, I had planted them in the front yard. And I had 10 of them. They were all green and bright, and they were, nice and healthy plants. And then that winter had came around, and and they all died. Well, I thought they had died. So take it from me, man. If you plant banana trees and the wintertime comes around and they begin to look like this, do not pull them out of the ground. Do not think that they're dead and go to attempt to remove them out of your yard or, get rid of them. Because trust me when I say, these banana trees are probably the hardest things to die. Okay, they don't die. If anything, they have babies and they grow and they move around a lot, but they don't die. They come back. So take it from me, man. Keep your banana trees. Don't pull them up. Don't kill them. Don't get rid of them. Let them bad boys grow. Let them bad boys do what they're gonna do. Because I made that mistake. And now I'm starting back out with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And believe it or not, I started out with 2. So this thing is having a lot of babies. This thing is having a lot of babies. It was only 2 that I had planted here, but it's sprouting out in different areas. It's having babies. So, and that was after the winter. It looked like it was there during the winter, and then after the winter, it started having babies, and it's starting to come back. So take it from me, man. Don't cut your banana trees. Let them grow. Let them grow. They will come back. They will get taller. They will get green. They will come back to life. Don't be like me. Be an idiot. Pull them out of the ground. Toss them in the trash. Perfectly good plants. I could have had almost 100 bananas by now. And I mistakenly made that mistake. Pulling them out of the ground thinking they were dead. And now I'm back on the waiting game. Waiting for bananas to produce. Which that's fine. I'm not in a rush for a harvest. But I will like it to get here before a recession hits. Or before anything crazy happens in this world. I would like to be producing enough food to survive. So yeah, man, don't pull your plants out. Keep them, let them grow, and you will thank me later. I'm out. Like, comment, subscribe, support your local farmers. We need y'all support, especially with all the craziness going on with the tariffs and the shipment problems we're having. We got to stick together as farmers, as a country, as a people at whole. So yeah, y'all like, comment, subscribe, and maybe one day, maybe 5 years from now, I might be the biggest farmer in Georgia or the biggest farmer, wherever. You never know, man. Just support me on my journey. Support me. Thank you.